Welcome everyone to a fresh new episode of the Advanced Tech HD. In today's lineup, we have brought the top 10 list of smartphone future concepts. Let's have a look at what the major smartphone manufacturers are working on for future smartphones. Before moving further, we would like to tell you that we bring the latest and innovative technologies in every episode of Advanced Tech HD. Please subscribe to our channel to support us, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss the latest video notifications. Number 1. Holographic Display. With the holographic display, the smartphone will project a person or object in a way that the person on the other side will be able to interact with that person or object in 3D, without touching the phone display screen. The object or the image will simply pop out of the screen, and will exist in the air, where one can interact with it. It will seem like the object or the person is present in front of you where you can see it in 3D. The holographic display will project images coming out of the phone into free space. Number 2. Flexible Display. This is one of the most awaited features of future smartphone concepts, that a smartphone will have a flexible display, which means that you can bend and wear them. The flexible display allows the smartphone to have a flexible body and display, with all the features a smartphone must essentially have, such as camera, calling, texting, Wi-Fi, GSM access, etc. Such smartphones could be easily stored in a straight form or rolled form. However, in our opinion, the most amazing feature would be to roll it, and wear the smartphone like a wristband while still being able to access all the features. Number 3. Endless battery life. Here is another amazing feature to expect from future smartphones, that is having a never-ending battery life. However, realistically, this is not possible as every battery has a life and it degrades over time, but what we are talking about here is that smartphones having solar panels. There had been launches of various smartphones in the past which were equipped with solar panels, but none of them were able to sustain in the market. This is due to the efficiency of the solar panel that we have right now. Companies are researching and trying to invent solar panels with great efficiency, which can provide enough power to the phone with a minimum charge. If the smartphones are equipped with efficient solar panels, it can charge the phone whenever sunlight is shining on it, and thus one would have a battery charge which would never be less than 70 to 80% all the time. Furthermore, a person would never need to charge their phones again, as they can always charge it via free sunlight unless and until it rains for 4 to 5 consecutive days. Number 4. Building smartphones block by block. This will be one of the most amazing smartphones customizations available in the coming future. At now, a few manufacturers such as Google and Motorola are working to make the smartphone like a computer. For instance, in a computer, everything can be attached and detached, and the keyboard, mouse, monitor, motherboard, RAMs, storage, etc., are all blocks. The same concept is applied to a smartphone where there would be different blocks for battery, RAM, storage, camera, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other features that can be added or removed from a basic smartphone motherboard body. This means that anyone can have their favorite specifications customized on their phones by adding or removing the features which they want or don't want, and we think this feature is fantastic for tech lovers. Number 5. Controlling smartphone through eyes. Imagine a situation where you are unable to use your hands to use your smartphone. Maybe you're writing or busy with some handiwork. Tech giants are now working to build smartphones with facial recognition and eye movement-based algorithms which will allow the user to operate their phones without touching them. The eye movements will maneuver the display, such as scrolling top to bottom or sliding images left of right. Typing will also be done through the eyes, and thus this is a great feature to use the smartphone without even touching them and letting anyone know. Number 6. Bracelet Smartphone. One of our favorite features, which we are looking forward to in the future, is wearing a smartphone on our wrist. Yes! One such phone concept is the Secret Bracelet concept phone. It is a bracelet that turns your arm into a touchscreen. The concept is similar to the holographic display technology, but the difference is that the holograph is created by the bracelet instead of the smartphone. This bracelet will be dustproof and waterproof, and thus one can use their smartphones even while taking a bath. Interesting, and a unique feature, right? Number 7. Drone Smartphone. Just imagine being able to fly your smartphone. It seems so unrealistic, but as technology is advancing at such a rapid pace, it does not seem unlikely. The drone phone is a concept smartphone in which it will be equipped with flying fans. These fans will help the smartphone fly in the air. You can use it to watch movies, video calling, or even taking your drone shots. The most useful feature of this drone phone will be to call your smartphone to where you're sitting, and the smartphone will come flying at your location. Selfies no longer need to be taken by extending the arm so far, but the drone smartphone will simply fly and capture the selfie to save the moment. Number 8. Surround Display. The major smartphones are now working to introduce more display innovations. The previous ones include bezel-less displays, notch display, eyedrop display, curved display. Now the surround display is succeeding over its predecessors, as it will be a display 360 degrees around the smartphone, that it will start from the front of the smartphone to the back, and it could be accessed from the front, back and sides. Companies like Xiaomi are working extensively on this concept. It seems like a better feature with endless opportunities for customization and viewing the phone from different angles. Number 9. Transparent Smartphone. Have you ever imagined a transparent smartphone? It's beyond imagination that such a smartphone will ever exist. That means the whole phone will be transparent. The basic idea is that the whole body of the phone will be transparent, and that on whichever surface it is placed, it will appear transparent, and all other features such as texting, watching a video, surfing the web will all be accessible. This transparent phone with all the body being transparent will be one of its kind, which the world has yet to see and discover. Number 10. Rollable Smartphone. Not to be confused with the foldable concept phones. It is the rollable concept. The rollable smartphone concept is that it can be rolled similarly like we roll a paper. There have been rollable keyboards in the past, which can be stored cylindrically. But now there will be rollable phones that have extremely flexible displays. The smartphone will be able to roll itself, which will make the display screen even larger horizontally. It is ideal for working on large projects or watching movies. Companies like Samsung and TCL are working vigorously on this concept. So, this is the end of today's episode. If you liked it, please like this video and comment down below which is your favorite smartphone concept on the list, for which you are waiting eagerly. It will help us expand our reach to more and more technology lovers like you. You can share this video with someone whom you think shall see this video. For now, we will sign off. We will come up with a new episode soon. And yeah, subscribe to us and press that bell icon to get the notification of our next video. Take care.